Hi everyone, welcome back to BotAlpha. In this video, we are going to make a pool price monitor for PancakeSwap now instead of Uniswap v3 pools. It should be fairly similar as PancakeSwap is a fork of Uniswap, but they have some extra features. So I'm now on their homepage. Let's find the liquidity providing page, because on their trading page you can't see, like, I can't access the addresses of the pools. So instead, in the earn section, liquidity section, I choose Ethereum only. And for example, we have Reef USDT. So let's go into this. We can see the volume. Just today, there was $8 million of volume. Here, I can access the contract on Etherscan. So we're going to need this address, so I might as well add it now. Contracts. And then let's just copy and paste all of these and see if it's gonna work. Okay, let's read this contract. As long as the slot 0 function and the token 0 and token 1 functions exist, then it should work. And when calling slot 0 function, I can get the take and the square root price from here, so it should be all good. Okay, let's try running this. Oh, it was the S, capital S. Okay, I think the ABI of PancakeSwap v3 pool contract is a bit different, so that might be why it's having trouble decoding. So let's copy the ABI, come to the ABI's folder, PancakeSwap v3 pool.json. Oh, when I did Control S, it automatically formatted it. Okay, that's nice. Now in the constants, yeah. So its ABI was a bit different. Token 0 is wrapped Ethereum, token 1 is USDT. They have different decimal numbers. so it will adjust accordingly. This is the active tick, active square root price. So the price from the tick per Ethereum in units of USDT is 3,574, which is around the same price. This is the price that we get from square root active price, so it's a bit different than the active tick price, but I don't know which one is the most correct one, but yeah. Okay, so they share a lot of the same functions like get pool data, get token address, get price from tick, price from square root price. So in the core folder we can add yeah, maybe we can add a folder called Uniswap, so that for all of the Uniswap forks we can use uh, the functions that are implemented here. Monitor pool price. Yeah, we can take these print statements off. And instead call them here using the data from result. Ooh. Change this to your desired name. Uniswap will be free. Okay, cool. for the PancakeSwap. Oh, we actually need to change here. Monitor pool price. So we need to have a map between protocol to their APIs. And I'm going to make it an enum. So I'm going to call it protocol enum. From enum import enum. Uniswap. And then when we call monitor pool price here, we then need to pass in the protocol that we're going to use, and then retrieve protocol enum from constants. Do the same in here. Delete all of these. Okay, let's see if it works. Yeah, we also need to provide the per ABI here in get token addresses. Actually, we can put this in constants as well. $3,584 per Ethereum. Let's check Uniswap. $117,891 per Bitcoin. Okay, nice. Let's push this. I forgot to do rough check and rough format. Okay. Projects, price monitor, PancakeSwap. Cool. So one way to extend the functionality of the price monitor is monitoring pending transactions at the mempool and then calculating how these transactions will affect the price when they get executed in the next block, sorting pending transactions according to their priority fee and predicting if any transactions will get cancelled. Because when you're doing a swap on PancakeSwap or Uniswap, you specify the slippage limit, and if the slippage tolerance goes above the tolerance that you have specified, then that transaction will get reverted. Now, how will that slippage happen is because transactions are sorted according to their priority fee, and if someone has noticed that you're doing a large buy transaction on a coin, they want to front run you, so they increase your priority fee, they buy before you, and then they sell as soon as you have bought the coin at a larger price than you have specified. So this slippage tolerance will make sure that you don't get front run too much. Like, you might get front run, but if it goes above 0.5% of the value that you actually wanted to pay, then your transaction gets reverted, and so they won't be able to front run you. So it could be an interesting project to predict this, predict if any of these transactions will get cancelled, or if a front run happens, then how much profit they make, etc. See you on the next video.